Welcome to the Equip4you unboxing video, part of the Equip4you CARE series. In this video is a Karcher VC3 bagless vacuum cleaner. Included accessories is a vacuum hose, telescopic tube, round brush, crevice tool, the 2-in-1 floor tool and the hard surface floor tool, along with the two filters, the motor filter and the HEPA filter. To connect the vacuum hose, push in the hose into the unit and press down on the button until it clicks. To release the vacuum hose, simply press down on the grey button and pull towards yourself. Connecting the telescopic vacuum tubes to the handle is simply slide into one another. To attach the accessories to the telescopic vacuum tube, simply slide onto the end of the tube. All the accessories are the same method. The space-saving accessory storage is secure and easily accessible. Simply slide the floor tool into the grooves. Thanks for watching. We hope this information helps.